Right, so today I'm in the process of making banana porridge. Okay, I've just grated the banana. As you can see, I've grated, this is, I've grated the banana, okay? This is 4 bananas that I've it's preferable to use one of these. You got different size all, but it's preferable to use this size. Alright? Then you scrape off as much of the banana as possible into the bowl so you don't really waste it, because you know banana is very expensive. Alright? Then you add water, preferably a bottle of pure water. Don't use the tap water for this because it's porridge, obviously. You understand? So come up a bit, Tasha. Right, so I'm going to mix this now. Mix a bit of this. Mix it round. That's my Jamaican way. You mix it round. And then come over this side, Tasha. The water is boiling. That has been boiling for the past let me see what's it like now. It's been boiling for the past 20 minutes. That's cinnamon stick that's in it. Alright? Hold this for me, darling. Hold that. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do now, that's been boiling for the past half an hour. So I just pour the banana in. Yeah? Mix it round and allow it to boil for about half an hour. And what I'm gonna do when this is, give it about 20 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna add flour. I'm gonna add flour to it. Hold on. Just give that a chance to boil. Then when I'm gonna add about two. Hold this for me, darling. This is, my mom always measure things. I find that I don't measure. I just use my judgment. Yeah? And about that amount of flour is enough to put in. So again, you use pure water. Don't use the tap water, because obviously it's porridge and it's going into your stomach. So you have to make sure. Then you mix this like a paste. Yeah, mix a paste until it's, I like a bit of lump, because I'm a porridge person. So when I'm making my porridge, I like lump and bun. You understand? So on this occasion, while the banana is come back over this side, Tasha. A lot of you been asking me about the secret from my banana porridge, so today I'm giving you that secret. Pour it in and leave it to thicken up. Obviously you have to make the banana. You have to make the banana boil. You have to make the banana boil properly. Otherwise, as Daddy would say, it will puff you. You understand? So while that is boiling now, normally I would put coconut milk in it, but because I haven't got the coconut milk, in about half an hour or so, I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna add the coconut cream. I'm gonna use half of the coconut cream to put in that pot and give it about 20 minutes to boil. We already put flour, so that's all right. Cinnamon stick, that's the cinnamon powder. This can go in about 10 minutes before it's ready. Then me being the extrovert that I am, I'm gonna add a bit of Viva long life milk and sweeten it with Nido and carnation milk. Then I'll add a bit of vanilla and sweeten to taste. Right? So in half an hour my porridge will be ready, and this is the great banana porridge. If time allows, I could have waited for the pot, but because of the passage of time, or should I say time is of the of the essence, then obviously. So as long as you grate your banana, some people when they're making the porridge, they blend it. You understand me? They use a blender. But I prefer to grate my banana because I get better results. And then put my cinnamon. You see? You see the quality of it? It's coming up now. Yeah. You keep mixing. Keep mixing. That's the cinnamon stick moving around in it. See? That's the cinnamon stick. You get these cinnamon stick to buy from home or any Caribbean shop. So you mix it around, give it chance. If it's not thick enough, I think I might have to add a bit more flour. But for now, just gonna let it simmer. Let it simmer. And then, Tasha, hold this for me. Let me cut the coconut cream. I'm gonna cut the coconut cream in. On this occasion, I'm gonna put half of this. Half of this. Wait, let me get the knife. Give me 1 second. I'll cut this in half. Yeah. And let it boil. Because obviously it have to boil properly. And I put half of it in that. Mix it around, give it a chance, and then in another 20 minutes or so, once it's, I'll add some more flour to make it more thicker. Plain flour, not self-raising flour. It must be plain flour, you see? Plain flour. Yeah. And then in 20 minutes, this need washing up, so you move that out the way. You clean up after yourself obviously as you go along, and sweeten to taste. So you put a bit of vanilla, preferably the Benjamin vanilla is a very good tasting one, carnation milk, Nido, and the Viva long life milk, and add a bit of sugar, and then your banana porridge will be ready. Like I said, for best result, you use filtered water. All right. So in a few minutes, we'll give it 20 minutes or so, and the porridge will be ready and ready to sweeten to taste. So next time you ask me how you make banana porridge, you know the secret. Pass me those 2 green bananas over there, Tasha, because I don't think everybody know what green banana is. These are green banana. You can get these. You get these green bananas to buy from home or any Caribbean shop. I put 4. I grated 4 of these bananas. Right? Yeah. So this is the secret to my well-deserved banana porridge, which I'll sit and drink in a little while from now. So all my fans and people who keep asking me how banana porridge is made, now you know the secret. I think what I'll do, because the coconut cream is in it now, I'm gonna mix it around a bit more. Mix it around. Yep. My great banana porridge is on the move, but you have to keep an eye on it, because once it start get thick, then it might come up the top. So you have to control the cover. Just catch it like that. Yeah. So yeah, so that's the secret to the banana porridge. So later on from now, I'll show you the result when it's all done. And for your ingredients, you know, all you need is about 4, Mama would say, fingers of banana, some plain flour, nutmegs. You see them? These are called nutmegs. And cinnamon powder. All these just help to flavor it, and bet the Benjamin vanilla. Okay, not much left in this. Obviously, I need to get another bottle. And your the cream coconut. This is a substitute Dunziver coconut for the native coconut. Normally, I would buy the native coconut and grate it and squeeze it and get the milk, which would be the better for a better outcome and a better taste. But you can use this. This is a substitute, obviously. Alright, and remember, don't use tap water, use bottled water to mix out the banana. You see, wow, look at this. Look at that. You see it's getting creamy now? Wow. And it smells nice as well. Wow. My banana porridge is coming on. Yeah. And mix it up. This will be ready in about 20 minutes. 20 minutes or so. I like my porridge well done. Well done. Ooh la la. Look at that. Look at that. And obviously, as you know, banana. Many of you who lacking in iron, the banana porridge is very nutritious for that reason. So when next time you're feeling low in spirits or low in mood or body, you just get these ingredients and get your banana porridge on the stove and get that nutrition in. All right. So keep watching for more nutritious cuisines. Yeah, this is all about Jamaica versus England. A lot of English people, they just buy things like these. They rather buy wheat cereal, loads of cereal, and just add water to make porridge. Not me. I go to the full length to make my banana porridge and to make sure that I'm eating properly and sustaining my body. Alright? So thanks for watching. Thanks for your time, and keep subscribing. Alright, then I'm in the kitchen busy as a bee, so there might be more later on. Thank you. Bye.